Hello viewers, thank you for joining. Today let me introduce Mysql logs types, and in this video we'll describe what types logs type we have in Mysql. So this video will be absolutely theoretical. We will compare different Mysql logs, and the first one will be the binary logs. Well, binary logs contains events that describe database changes, such as table creation operations or changes to table data. The good example when we execute delete statements, we have delete statements we will get this delete statement inside binary logs. Well, the binary logs has two important purposes. The first one is replication. Binary logs helps to replicate our source data to server providers. And the next one, binary logs we need for data recovery operations, where specifically when we need create a point in time incremental recovery backup. And the next one is redo logs. Well, it's very complicated understanding about redo logs. So redo logs is disk data structure used during disaster recovery to correct data written by incomplete transaction. Well, during normal operation, the redo logs encodes requests to change table data that are the result of SQL statement or low-level API calls. Alright, the next one, undo logs. Well, undo logs entry contains information about how to undo the last transactional changes and in the cluster index entry. If another transaction needs to see the original data as part of the consistent read operation, unchanged data is retrieved from undo logs entities. The next one will be relay logs. Well, relay logs, like the binary logs, consists of set of numbered files containing events that describe database changes and index file that contains the names of all used relay log files. The term relay logs file generally denotes an individual numbered files containing database event. Well, slave receive from master records to data from master record to relay logs. You can read more information, and we can use Mysql bin logs to see logs in your Mysql environment. And the last log for today will be slow query logs. Well, slow query log consists of SQL statements that take more than long query time seconds to execute and require at least mean examined row limit rows to be examined. The slow query log can be used to find queries that takes a long time to execute and are therefore candidates for optimization. Well, the best example how to identify slow logs to execute Mysql dump slow commands where you can find your slow query logs. Alright, I think that's pretty much it, and I think we're ready to wrap this up. Thank you for joining.